In this video, we'll explore how to access the available Remote Connect features within the Toyota app, so you can take advantage of this convenient connected service. To start using the Toyota app, tap the Toyota app icon on your smartphone. Next, make sure that the country and language are set to your preference, and then tap Sign In. When the Toyota driver's login permission screen appears, tap Continue. At the login screen, enter your email address or mobile number and then tap Continue. At the password screen, enter your password and then tap Sign In. Let's take a closer look at the remote services available in the Toyota app, like Remote Start, Door Lock and Unlock, Vehicle Finder, and more. With Remote Start, you can start or stop your vehicle at a distance, all from the convenience of your smartphone. To remotely start your vehicle, press and hold Start Engine for 1 second. Once the engine has been started, it will automatically shut off after 10 minutes if the vehicle isn't driven. A timer shown in the Engine Start/Stop button displays the time remaining until the engine will automatically shut off. Next, we'll explore how to remotely turn off your vehicle using Remote Stop. To remotely turn off your vehicle, press and hold Stop for 1 second. Remote Lock and Unlock allows you to secure your doors with just a tap of a finger, offering you even more peace of mind. Let's start with Remote Unlock. To remotely unlock your vehicle, press and hold Unlock for 1 second. Keep in mind that this feature can only lock or unlock all doors of your Toyota at the same time. To confirm that your vehicle's doors are unlocked, tap View Status above the Remote Services tile or the red notification icon on the vehicle image at the top of the dashboard. This will take you to the Vehicle Status screen. The Vehicle Status screen shows the status of the doors, windows, hood, moonroof, and trunk. Note that the features shown will vary based on the model. Once you've confirmed that all doors are unlocked, tap the X on the upper left of the tile to close the Vehicle Status screen. Now, let's dive into how to use the Toyota app to remotely lock your vehicle. To remotely lock your vehicle, press and hold Lock for 1 second. To confirm that your vehicle's doors are locked, tap the red notification icon on the vehicle image at the top of the dashboard, or View Status above the Remote Services tile. This will take you to the Vehicle Status screen. Once you've confirmed that all doors are locked, tap the X on the upper left of the tile to close the Vehicle Status screen. The Guest Driver feature keeps you in control with timely alerts when your guest driver goes beyond preset speed limits, curfews, or miles. To adjust driver settings for another driver, tap Guest Driver Settings at the bottom of the Remote Services tile to see the Guest Driver Settings menu. You can set up driver setting notifications for up to 5 guest drivers. Let's explore the Friends driver settings as an example. Tap Friends in the Guest Driver Settings menu. To turn on the Friends driver settings, toggle the Enable button on. This will allow you to set up driver notifications, including maximum speed limit, maximum miles limit, and more. To set a maximum speed limit notification, tap Speed Limit under Settings. Next, tap Max Speed Limit under Set Max Speed Limit and scroll to the desired speed limit. To save the setting, tap Set Limit at the top right corner of the screen. To set a maximum miles limit notification, tap Total Miles Limit under Settings and then tap Max Miles. Next, scroll to the desired max miles. To set the desired max miles notification, tap Set Limit at the top right corner of the screen. To save the Friends driver settings, tap Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. Repeat this process to set driver notifications for up to 5 guest drivers. With Vehicle Finder, you will always know exactly where to find your Toyota, whether parked in a crowded parking lot or a new city. To open the Vehicle Finder map, tap the Last Parked Location tile on the dashboard. To see your current location, tap the arrow icon in the lower right corner of the map. To locate your vehicle, tap the car icon in the lower right corner of the map. From Remote Start to Vehicle Finder, Toyota's Remote Connect services deliver the convenience, connection, and peace of mind you're looking for, all in the palm of your hand. These convenient features of the Toyota app will improve your ownership experience. If you don't already have the Toyota app, please visit the App Store to download it today.